Hi, I'm Priscilla Clayton. I worked here from about April 1986 till about September 1991. I remember the day we actually had air conditioning in this building, because prior to that we used to have all the windows wide open just so that there was airflow, and used to be stiflingly hot on those summer days, you know, when there'd be like no breeze whatsoever, and there'll be over 40-degree heat, and we'd have fans going everywhere. So that sticks out very, you know, in my memory a lot. And when we got air conditioning, it was like, oh my God, this is so luxurious. You couldn't wait to come to work on those hot days. I forget the exact year, but it couldn't have been very far off. It was before 1990, well before that. They actually moved the library slightly out towards the Queen's Park Theatre. It wasn't by very much, but it made a huge difference internally. So I remember that. And then of course, all our reference collection then got moved upstairs to the mezzanine floor. But having that, just that extra, I don't think it was very much at all. Maybe a metre, maybe a couple of metres. I can't recall the exact amount of room that we moved. But because the library is such it goes back quite far, that made a huge difference. We used to have lots of kids used to come here after school and wait for their parents, so they'd be coming in to use the library facilities. That used to be really exciting, well, not exciting for them, because they used to be chasing boys around the place, and we'd be trying to like quieten them down, saying, hey look, other people are studying, so you know, keep the noise level down, kind of thing. But it was really hard because these kids had just finished school, you know, 3:30, and they were just full of beans, and there was no way of keeping them quiet.